No, right? Please do it, no? Find the value of k such that the polynomial x square minus k plus, yeah, plus 2 twice k minus 1 has sum of its zeros equal to half of their product. Yeah, please do it, no?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, the value of k is 7.
the value of k is 7. Okay. Yes, rest of the student, are you getting the same? Okay, Bad is also getting 7. Okay, let's check it. Is it 7? So here it says that the sum of the zero is equals to half of their product. Okay, sum of the zero formula, we know that it is minus b by a. Our b is already negative. If we'll take one more minus sign, it will be plus by 1. Okay, and product of the roots c by a. Okay, this is the product of the root. Now the condition is given as sum of its zeros equals to half of their product. Okay, sum of the zero is equals to half of their product. That means this one. And from here you have to find the k value, right? Anyone having any confusion over here? Everyone is getting the same. Okay. Find the value of p for which one root of quadratic equation px square minus 14x plus 8 is equals to 0 is 6 times the other. Okay, I can see. Harshit, you have got p is equals to 3. Okay, everyone is responding the same. Ibad, Zanab. Okay. Yes, are you getting p is equals to 3? Everyone? Yeah. So let's continue. Yeah, let's continue. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus a plus 1x plus b are 2 and minus 3, then a and b we are supposed to find. Okay, Bad, a is 0 and what is b? Okay, Fazan, I'll explain it. Yes, rest of the student, are you done with it? If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, the given polynomials are 2 and minus 3, then a and b value we are supposed to find. Okay, 0 and minus 6. See, if these, yes, anyone who have already done, can you please explain it? How you have done? Zainab,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, how you got it? The a and b values.
Ma'am, first what I did was I found the alpha and beta by using alpha plus beta. Wait, sorry, once again. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So then, by putting it, I get a as 0.
Okay,
And similarly, when I did alpha into beta, which is equal to c by a, I got b as negative 6.
okay. Yeah. Yes, Fazan, this is how we'll be doing it. This is one of the way of solving this question, that first we'll be finding the like sum of the zero product of the zero formula we already know. Once we will write the formula, we will understand that this is alpha, this is beta. Okay. One of the root we can take it as a alpha, another root we can call it as a beta. Sum of the root means just the addition of these two. If you will add it over here, and that is equals to minus b by a from the polynomial. Okay, and product of the root, the formula, and that is also we are just doing the multiplication of these roots and taking the data from the polynomial. Okay, are you getting it? Will you be able to find a
Ma'am,
and b? Yes.
ma'am, we can do it another way.
Yeah, there are so many ways. Okay, not only for this particular question, for every maths problem there will be so many ways, and this is one of them. You can also take this 2, you can substitute over here, is equals to 0, you can write. Minus 3
Yes,
also
ma'am,
you
that's
can
what I
take
did.
the, that way you have done, Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is also fine. Okay, there are so many ways, and this is just one of the way of doing it. See, Faizan, these two are roots, these two are solution, these two are roots, or these two are zeros. Then we can take this values 2 and minus 3, and we can substitute it one by one in the equation. Okay, in the polynomial we can substitute, and is equals to 0 we can write. Because if we understand the meaning of 0, we must understand that 0 means such a value of the variable which will make the polynomial, the complete polynomial, 0. That's called 0. Okay, so we can take this value to place it at the place of x, substitute it at the place of x, and is equals to 0 you can write. That is the other way. This is one of the way which I have written over here. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, similarly, you can take this minus 3, you can put it over here, and is equals to 0, you can write. From there, you will be getting two equation which you have to solve further to take out the value of a and b. Yes, next. The zeros of this quadratic polynomial.
root 2 and minus root 2.
Okay. Yes, zeros of this, yes, root 2 and minus root 2, x square minus 2, 0 of this one will be, is equals to 0. We will write, we will try solving it. You can solve it like this. This is just one of the way. If you have done another way, it's completely okay. Our answer has to be same, is equals to 2. We can write it as a x is equals to plus minus root 2. Next one.
Ma'am, the value of P and Q are 5 and minus 6.
Okay. Yes, everyone getting same. Please do it and let me know. Yeah, sure. I'll solve it. Okay. So this question, the zero of the polynomial x square plus px plus q are double in value to the zero of this one. Okay. Zero of this particular polynomial is double of the zero of this one. So as we can see, we can find the zero of this one. Let's find the zero. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Let's try splitting the middle term. What are we going to have? 2x square, 3 2 times 6. So we can take minus 6x. Okay. Or will it work? Just a moment. Let me check. Plus x
Yes. Yes.
minus 3. Yeah, it will. Okay. So we'll be having 2x common, x minus 3. plus 1 common x minus 3. We are getting x minus 3 twice x plus 1. From here we are getting two roots, two zeros we are getting, that is 3 and negative 1 by 2. Now 0 of this particular polynomial is double. 0 of this particular polynomial is double of the zeros of this one. So can we say that if it is double, that means one of the 0 for x square plus px plus 6 not 6 q, one of the 0 over here is double of this 3, that is 6, and another 0 is double of minus 1 by 2, that is negative 1. 6 and minus 1 are two zeros. Okay, now we found what are the zeros. We just have to find p and q. Again, sum of the zero, product of the zero formula we can use, b by a, c by a, and we can find p and q. Getting it? Yes,
Yes.
everyone getting it? This is how we'll be doing it. Please do the next one. Just a moment. Yes, are you done with it?
Yes, ma'am, it is coming in like equation x square minus 25x plus 82.
Okay. Okay, rest of the student, please finish it.
Ma'am, what is the answer of it?
Yeah.
What's the uh,
Answer.
what's
Polynomial.
yeah? What's the answer of the question?
Yes, Harshit, what are you getting?
मैम मैंने क्वेश्चन x square minus 25x plus 82.
X square minus 25x you are saying?
Yeah, plus 82 is equal to 0.
Okay, is equals to 0 will not write. This is a polynomial he must have got. We will check it. Okay, however, let's do it. Let's do it. Even like we need to check whether this is the answer or what. So A and B are the zeros of the polynomial. We are having a polynomial 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. We will try splitting the middle term and we will try finding the zeros. 7 and 2, it looks like it's a factors. So minus 7x plus 2x minus 7. We are getting, we'll take x, just x common. We'll be left with 2x minus 7. We'll take just one common and we'll be left with 2x minus 7. So the roots we are getting, zeros we are getting, x is 7 by 2 we are getting and minus 1 we are getting. Now here it says that a and b are the zeros of this particular polynomial. So let's take this one as a, this one as a b. Okay, a and b are the zeros. Now what we are supposed to find a polynomial whose zeros are this 2a plus 3b, 3a plus 2b. See, now if you are getting confused which one to take a, which one to take b, see how the zeros are given 2a plus 3b and 3a plus 2b. Whatever you take a and b,
Ma'am,
at the end we will be on track only. Yeah,
I got my zeros. I got A and B as one, negative 1, and 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Mm.
Everyone is getting 1 by 2. Why will be getting 1 by 2?
Ma'am,
This is 2x squared minus 5x minus 7, right?
yes,
Which two factors you have used?
negative 7x plus 2x.
Okay, just like mine. So if we will try taking common factor from this two,
I didn't
only
take
x is
common
the
factors from that. I took common factors from 2x squared plus 2x.
okay. You have taken like this 2x square plus 2x minus
Minus
7x
7 minus,
minus 7.
and then I took
2x is common.
2x. X plus 1 will be in the bracket. Minus 1, x plus 1.
No, not minus 1, Zanab, minus 7.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, it looks like 1, but it is 7. Okay, so yeah, this is what we are getting. Now 3a plus 2b, 2a plus 3b will be able to find from here. 2a, 2 into a plus 3b, 3 into b. So it will be 7 minus 3, that is 4. One of the 0 is this one. And 3a plus 2b, 3 into a plus 2 into b. If we will do the simplification, let's check what are we getting. So 7 3 times 21, 21 by 2 minus 2. That means 2, 21 minus 4, 1 from here, 17 by 2. These are the two zeros we have found. Now we will try, just a second. So these are the two zeros and we have to frame the polynomial. So polynomial will look like this, k x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. This is our required polynomial where k is any real number. Okay, whatever we'll be having at the place of k, any number, all those polynomial will be having sum of the zero, these two, like 17 by 2 and 4. These two zeros, like all those polynomial, if even if you will take k value as a 1, 2, 3, 4 or any decimal number, all those polynomial will be having these two numbers as a zeros. So yeah, this is our polynomial. You just need to do a little bit of simplification over here. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Find the sum and product of zeros of polynomial x square plus k. Very simple question. You don't have to do anything, just you are supposed to write it. Yes, what are you getting?
minus 2 by 3.
Sum of the zero is
Minus 2 by 3.
minus 2 by,
By 3, ma'am.
and product of the zeros.
1.
Okay. Yes, everyone else, the rest of the student, are you getting the same?
I got 2 by 3 and 1.
Teacher, I got -1.
Yes, Fazan, you got the same?
I got -1 in the second, like alpha into beta.
Okay.
Can you solve this?
Yeah. We'll be discussing it. Okay, because I can see all those answers which I am getting, it's not correct. See, this is a polynomial we are having and it's a quadratic polynomial. Okay, x square is there. Whatever is there after that, 4x plus k minus 1 plus 2. Here the sum of the 0 and the product of the 0 will be in terms of k. That is completely fine. Okay. So sum of the 0 formula is minus b by a. Now the question is, what is b over here? We are very clear with our concept. We are very clear that whatever is the coefficient of x square, that is a. So a is 1 over here. Whatever is the coefficient of x, that is b. That means whatever is multiplied with b, whatever is multiplied with x, that is b. Okay. So we will check what is multiplied with x over here. Check it. What is multiplied with x over here? What is the coefficient of x? If I will ask you, can you tell me what is the coefficient of x? Anyone?
4K.
It is 4k. This k will get multiplied with 4 and only that is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is called as b. So our b is nothing but just 4k. If you want me to write one more step, I'll be writing it over here. Let me write it. X square 4kx. This k, we are going to apply the distributive property. It will be k square over here. K will get multiplied with this one also. K will get multiplied with this one also. So minus k plus 2. Now again, what is a, what is b, what is c? So coefficient of x square is a, that is 1. Coefficient of x is b, that is 4k. And whatever is without x square and x, without any variable, all those terms are just the constant term. So constant is 2 or constant is this all. So yeah, this all, these are the constant. Constant term over here, c is nothing but k square minus k plus 2. Whatever is without any variable, even if that looks like p, m, k, these are just the constants. Okay, we will be treating it like a constant. So here c is what? C is k square minus k plus 2. Now sum of the roots, product of the roots, it's very simple, right? Everyone getting it?
Yes.
In this question only, if one more step, like if one more instruction I will add, that the sum of the root is this, maybe a number 5 I will give, and the product of the root is a number I will give 6, then you will also be able to find the value of k, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so the main catch over here is to identify what is a, what is b, what is c. Sum of the roots will be minus b by a, and product of the root will be c by a, where we are very clear that our c is nothing but k square minus k plus 2 by 1. Is it crystal clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
So we don't have to find k over here.
nothing we have to find. Okay. I just wanted to check that whether you are able to identify it from the quadratic form or whatever form, because this type of question you will be getting in quadratic equation also. So yeah, let's continue. This question you have to do. If the sum of the 0 of the polynomial this is 1, then find k.
I'm getting K as 4.
K as 4. Everyone is getting the same. K as 4. Yes. Harshit, Zanab, Ibad,
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, Galvin, Fazan, Noah.
Yes.
Everyone is getting. Please do it.